Frankly, Madam Chair, I am busy, and coupled with the fact that the road coming from Accra to this place is so bad, I wasn't going to come. But we got to the middle of the road, and it had rained, and I don't think the contractor has done a good job in providing for bypasses for us. I mean, how? The contractor, I'm expecting to be reasonable in knowing that around this time that it is raining, you would go out of your way to provide some bypasses and make the place more trouble. Vehicles are overturning. So I almost said, let us do a U-turn. But you see, when it comes to issues of academia, I am passionate about it. That's how come, in spite of my busy schedules and the bad road, I am still here.